Chapter 3 Simulation Training. It's a greater project of Microsoft Excel class. It's a create a new query using the query design button. Okay, create a new query. First add the agents table and then now I'm going to create a new query. Okay, from the query design button. Okay, and then it's a first add the agent table and then the property table. Then property table. Okay, any close and open any dialog box from the agents table. Okay. Okay, add the first name and the last name. Okay, from the property table, add the list price and the square feet and sold. List price, square feet and sold. List price, then square feet, and the last one is sold. Run the query, observe the total 50 property displays. Run the query, okay. Display the query in the design view. Okay, now I am going to solve the step number. Display the query in design view. Query 1 into design view. With the query open in design view, set the criteria for the sold field to the no sold field to the criteria is no, and then press ESC and then press enter. Okay, fit the first query open design view and the criteria for the sold field. Criteria for the sold field for the no. Okay, now I'm going to move for my next step. I have done the step number 1. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. You can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. If you trouble in any project, I am here to deliver quality grade for you. Select the price per square feet and okay. Open the property sheet. Select the price per square feet and open the property sheet. Format the price, okay. Now you can see here I am going to move for the step number 2 here. Select the price per square feet. Price per square feet, okay. Okay, and format the price per square calculated feet as a currency. Okay, now you can see here I am going to do this one. And add a caption to select the price per square feet and open the property sheet. Format the price, okay, I can how it work. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Text me through WhatsApp or email if you need institution of any Microsoft class.
Click in the calculated field and on the design tab.
In the shows.
Here you can see I have selected this one, then property sheet. Property sheet is here.
In the
and then
sheet,
in the format is a currency, you can see here, and then I need to add a caption. Click the caption box and type price per square feet. Okay,
space FT.
I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Okay, property sheet is here, and then add the currency number format, and then the caption I am going to type the price per square feet. Run the query, observe the result of the calculated column or no formatted. Here you can see now I am going to move for the run the query and then save the query, and currency or not formatted as currency on the column heading has new caption. Okay, I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Just text me through WhatsApp or email if you need the solution of any Microsoft class. Run the query, observe the result of the calculated column or not from calculated column. I can show you how it's work. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access.
On the design,
I already run the query and
click
then
Save on the quick
here
add.
you can save this query simply. I am dealing with many students and delivering quality grades for them. You can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this one. Now I am going to move for my next step. It says right click in the field row of the first empty column of the query design grid and then from the shortcut menu. Okay. Here you can see today I am going to do the Access Chapter 3 simulation
the
training.
filled row of the
Here you
first
can
empty
see,
column
right
of
click.
the query design grid, and from the shortcut menu, click Zoom.
And then from the shortcut menu click zoom. Okay. Now you can see here right click the field row of the field empty column of the design grid. And then type price per. Okay. You can copy this or we can type price per bedroom. Then listed price divided by beds. Okay, and then click OK. Here you can see format the price per square feet calculated feed as a currency number. Okay. And press enter and as a caption. Okay. Price per square feet. Format the price per bedroom calculated field. Here as you can see. Okay. In property sheet we are going to add the calculated fee as a currency. Format is currency number format and add a caption price per bedroom and then press enter. Okay, I have done this modification. Now I'm going to move for my next. You have initially misspelled the field name of the list Price field, okay, does not exist. Now you can see here. I'm going to do this one. I'm dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Text me through WhatsApp
On
or
the
email if
Query
you need
Tools
distribution
Design
of any
tab,
Microsoft
in the
class.
Results group, click Run.
Okay, it's simply run the query and
In the
listed
Enter
price is
Parameter Value dialog box, under
1
Listed
lakh
Price,
and then place
in the
okay.
dialog
I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Text me through WhatsApp or email 12345 and then press OK. Display the price per square feet query in design view. OK. Display the zoom box to the price per bedroom calculated field. Right click. Display the zoom box. OK. Correct the price per bedroom formula so it's displayed using the price per rather than the misspelled. OK. Display the zoom box for the price bedroom calculated field. Correct the price per bedroom formula so it divides the listed price of the bed using the list price rather than the misspelled listed price. List price and then OK. Run the query, observe the result and then save the query. Run the query and then save it one. I have completed this one. Now I'm going to move for my next step. Create a new query using the query design button. Add a property table. Close any open. OK. Now I'm going to move for our next question. I'm going to create a new query by using the query design button. Add the property table. From the property feed, add listing. Okay, sold. Okay, now first of all, add listing, then list price and sold feed. With the query one query open in design view, set the criteria for no. Okay. Now I'm going to add criteria is no. Okay, now I'm going to move for my next step. Display the mortgage payment query in design view. Add criteria to the list price to the mortgage payment. List price is here. And now I am going to add a criteria equal to okay, press enter. Add a new column to the query expression builder. Now I'm going to move for my add a new column by using the expression builder. I am going to show you how it's work.
click the
Here by using the expression
in the
builder
Expression
and
Elements
function,
box, double-click Functions.
built-in function,
In the Expression
financial
Categories,
function,
in the Expression
EMT function,
in the PMT function, click the Rate
in the
Argument
PMT function
placeholder
type.
and type
In the PMT function, click the rate
0.06
arguments.
forward
Rate argument is
slash
here
12.
and type 0.06 divided by 12. Okay. Add a new column to the query using the expression builder. By using the function, built-in function, financial function, PMT function, and PMT function monthly loan rate. Okay, it's a okay. Calculated the payment for the loan with 0.0 divided by monthly rate. Payment period for the period and the list price field multiply by 0.8. Okay. loan with here you can see I'm going to solve this one. Okay.
Click the first in the expression elements box, double-click in the expression category. In the expression in the PMT function, click the rate argument placeholder and type 0.06/12.
Okay, now I'm going to move on my next step. Open the mortgage payment query in datasheet view. In datasheet view, display the total row, display the average for the list price, display the total row, and display the average for the list price. List price is here, and then display the average for the list price column, and then the count of the listing column. Listing column is here. Okay, save and close the query. I have done this one. Now I'm going to move for my next step. In the overall result query, display the total rows in the query grid design. Okay, I'm going to solve this one. In the overall result query, display the total row in the query design. Display the click the group by arrow and sale price column and select average. Group. Click the group by arrow, sale price column. Display the sale price column and the select averages. Click the group by arrow sort column and select where. Sort column and then select where. Set the criteria for the sort field by yes. Select the sale price field and display the property sheet. Select the sale price and display the property sheet. Change the sale price format to query. Okay. Select the sale price field and property sheet is here, and then it say change the sale price format to currency. Sale price format to currency, and close the property sheet. Run the query, observe overall. Okay, and then save the query. Run and then save. I have done this one. In the datasheet view of result of the relator revise query and total row and change the total of the sum of the number. Okay, in the datasheet view of the result by